What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Today in the Ryker Hospital, we'll be clamshelling a bike to put a cold intake in from RLS. So, not to go in too much crazy detail, but to clamshell a bike, you're gonna have to do this process. So, you're gonna remove the panels. You're going to remove the air intakes. You're going to pop open the front fascia, which is going to expose all the screws here. You're going to keep the first screw in, remove the second screw. Then you're going to come here, remove, and then under the seat, up under there, you should be able to see 2 screws under there. Should be 2 screws under there. I gotta find them. But 2 screws under the seat, and you're gonna clamshell the whole bike. Also, you'll be removing your frunk and your panels. The frunk is gonna totally come out after you remove the rivets, the plastic rivets. Gonna remove it here from these Torx. Then when you get it out, you are going to disconnect the USB ports from the back. Okay, just clamshelled the entire bike. This is a 2022 900. So now, in order to remove the air box, we have 1 bolt back here that I already took out. 1 bolt in there, you can see it right there, the air hose, and then disconnect those clamps on the air, and the whole box is gonna pop out for us. Right, so we removed the old air box right there. There's your air connection tube right there, and we're gonna put this one on and start putting it together. This is going to be a quick video because I've done this so many times. Alright, so we just installed it. We still have it open, clamshell style. I'm about to close it up. There you go. Cold air intake. RLS. Red filter. 2022. Let's drop it down and start closing it up. 2022 Can Am Ryker with a cold air intake installed. Check it out, check it out. Look at that. From your man at RLS. Like I said, if you want one of these, hit up rlsexhaust.com. Get 10% off. Oh, let me put these 2 panels back, and then we can start this bad boy up. See how it sounds. Start her up. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, I can hear it. Sounds nice. Hear it whispering. That bad boy's whispering. Alright, another job, in and out. Ryker Doctor, cold air intake installed, 2022 Can Am Ryker. He actually won this cold air intake from me. So make sure you guys watch me on YouTube, follow, subscribe on all social media. Another happy customer. Ride safe.